Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher of KKI School. Our lesson today is areas of polygons. Our objective is how I can find the areas of polygons. The adventure problem. Gabrielle wants to use felt material to cover the floors of a room and a hallway in her dollhouse. She measured the room and hallway and sketched it below. How many 8.5 inch multiply 11 inch pieces of fill does Gabrielle need for the room and hallway?
Thank you, Iman and Ryan. And we have to find out how many of this piece yes, can you cover this polygon. Okay, my dear students. Okay, teacher, what is this 8.5 inch multiply 11 inch? It's represent an area. Okay, so you have to find out what this equal, what the product of two numbers. If you multiply them, you get 93.7 inch square. Okay, that means how many of this area can you need to cover the polygon. Okay, after you find out the area of this polygon, you have to know how many piece from this you need to buy to cover the polygon area. Okay, my dear students. Okay, but teacher, what we have to do to find this area? First of all, it is a polygon. You have to decompose it to regular shape, okay, to find out the area of polygons. Now you have two ways to cut here. The first way, you cut in this case, then you have this rectangle and this rectangle. So you have two rectangles. If you add them, you get the area of the polygon. Or sometimes, or some students like to cut like this. You are free. The same answer you will get. So this, the first rectangle, and the second rectangle will be with these two dimensions. Okay, it is up to you, my dear students. But in two cases, you have to find the correct dimensions for each rectangle. For example, let us start with this one. If I cut it in this way, this is the first rectangle and this is the second rectangle. Now the green one have two dimensions. Okay, it is what? Yes, it is 5 inch. And what is the second dimension for the green rectangle? Can you tell me? What? 22? Be careful, it is not a 22. It is not a 22. You need this one, yes? This side. From here to here. It is not a 22. It is what? It is 22 minus 10. Why? Because you have to take the whole long here minus this piece, yes, and this piece equal 10. So don't tell me that 22 is the second dimension of the green rectangle. So the two dimensions here, it is 5 and 12. Yes, teacher, again, how you get the 12? I get the 12 by subtract 22 minus 10. Why you subtract them, teacher? Because he give me from here to here 22, but I need from here to here, so I subtract the 22 out of this piece, and this piece equal 10. Okay, that's all. Good. What about the second rectangle, the red one? Rectangle, yes, this the red one. Okay, you have to looking for two dimensions. The first dimension is clearly 10. See, clearly it is 10. The second dimension from here to here, it is easy. It is 15. Don't say that. Be careful. You have to know from here to here it is 15 only. Again, you have to know from here to here it is 15 only. And you need to know this length. Okay, it is 5. From here you get it. Okay, so 15 plus 5, yes, it is 20. So the second rectangle is 20 and 10. So 20 multiply 10 equal 200 inch square, and here we have 60. So the total area of this polygon equal 260 inch square. Now, how I can find how many pieces of this in this area? Just divide them. Okay, divide the 260 divided by 93.7, you will get approximately 2.7. That means you have to buy three pieces of this dimension. Okay, we call the first one dimension and the second dimension. Okay, like any rectangle. I draw this here. Okay, to clarify to you. Okay, how I did the first cut. Yes. Okay, you see, this is from here to here, it is 22. I try to find the green part only, so I subtract 22 minus 10, I get 12. See, 12 and 5, and here this is 10 as I mentioned before, and 20, not 15. I use the 15 to find the 20. From here to here 15, and from here and this piece, the green one here, it is 5, so it is 20, and I get 200 plus 60. The second cut was like this. Okay, and I said to you, you have to find the dimension for, or the dimensions for each shape. Yes, the green rectangle here, what is the dimension for this one? Yes, 5 and 21. 5 and 22, sorry. And the second rectangle, it is 10 and 15. I did not do anything. Okay, directly the dimension without do anything. So you multiply 5 by 22 equal 110 plus 150 equal 260 inch square. Don't read it cube. Don't read it with power 2. It is squares. That means we need 260 squares to cover this polygon. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now let us move to do this, the homework. Yes, here I will clear my page here. Okay, the first one here, you have to decompose it in two shapes. Can you tell me what is the two shapes? Yes, it is clear. It is triangle and rectangle. Yes, good. What is the dimensions for the triangle? See, I need to find any triangle in the world, base and height. Then I divide them by 2. So I have base for this triangle. Yes, it is 24. Good. I'm done from the base. What's about the height? Yes, it is 7. You see, it is 7, the height. So erase this and multiply by 7. Over 2. Yes, 24 multiply 7 over 2. Okay, you find the area for the triangle only. So I decompose it here and write the answer equal 84. 84 what? Feet square. Now I done from the triangle. I'm going now to the rectangle. What is the 2 dimension for this rectangle? Yes, it is 24 as you see and 10. Multiply them. I will decompose it here. 24 multiply 10, 250 feet square. Add them, you get 324. Okay, my dear students, now let us go to another polygon. What about this? Okay, I will cut it like this. So I have this rectangle. Can you tell me what is the dimension for this rectangle? Yes, 5 and 50. Yes, don't say 50 please, because the 50 it is given for this side from here to here, but I need this side. So teacher, cut the 18, this piece, yes, this one, this piece from the 50, cut off, and you know it is 18. Yes, so 50 minus 18 equal 32. So this piece, it is not 50, it is 32. Good. So I have 5 and 32. Good. Now what's about this rectangle? It is given already. Fantastic. 18 and 25. Don't do anything, just multiply them. So 18 multiply 25, it is 450. Okay. And 32 by 5, it is 160. Okay, 5 by 2 equal 10. 5 by 3 equal 15. Yes, 160. So the answer is 610. What is the unit? Meter square. So I need 600 square with 1 meter for each side of the square. Okay. Okay, my dear students. Easy, yes? Let us take another one, or the last one. Okay. Here, let us take T letter. How I can cut it? Yes, directly you cut like this. Yes, and the dimension for this rectangle, it is 3. 3 and what? And 12. Yes, so I find the first one. 3 and 12. 3 multiply 12 equals 36. 36 centimeter squares. So I'm done from this. Now the second rectangle, it is here, from here. Yes, this is the second rectangle. Yes, so let me draw it with the black one. Yes, from here to here. Okay. Okay, this side or this dimension, it is 9. Now I'm looking for this dimension. He give me 2 dimensions here. This is 4 and told me this is 4. This is 4 and this is 4, and this is what to be 12. This is 4 also. Okay, if this teacher 15 what will be the middle one here? The middle one, if this is 15. 4 plus 4, 8, and to 15, you need 7. So it will be 7. But in this case, I will not confuse you, my dear students. Okay? In this case, I have, again, I have, it is given. He give me 4 for this, and 4 for this piece. From here to here it is 4, and from here to here it is 4, and the whole piece it is 12. From here I get it. So 4 plus 4 equal 8, and the complement to 12 it is 4. So this is 9 and 4. So I find the rectangle with 9 and 4, which equals 36. 36 plus 36 equals 72. What is the unit? Centimeter square. So I need 72 centimeter square to cover this polygon. Teacher, can you repeat what is the meaning of 72 centimeter squares? That means I need 72, no, smaller than this one, 72 of this rectangle to cover this polygon. Okay, this is the meaning of the area. This is the meaning of the square. Okay, my dear students. Okay, I hope you get all the benefit from me. This is Muhammad Khair, and see you later, my alligators. Goodbye.